Nice.
Nope, get your other rod. Peek.
There we go.
Right off the back.
Huh?
Oh, peek. There he goes again.
Oh.
What?
Bad knot. He'll be there. We'll catch him again.
Hopefully with your jewelry in it.
Huh?
Hopefully with the jewelry.
Yeah. There we go.
You're on the old jiggy?
Yeah. They're out there.
Yep.
Just took us a while to find them. That's a nice one.
Instant.
Crappie candy. Chancy's crappie candy. Let's see what size this one is. It feels bigger. Oh yeah, he's 9.5, 10 incher. Ah, yeah. We're out here on Flathead Lake pitching jigs for these females and males perch. And Dylan stumbled onto the right color, cookies and cream Chancy's crappie candy with a fire tiger mystic tear glow head. There we go. Double.
Doubled up. Yours is bigger. There we go.
All right, Dylan.
Oh, that's a bigger
Oh,
one.
nice.
That's a good
Tell
one.
us what we're doing, Dylan.
So we've been out here on the south end of Flathead Lake getting this post spawn males. Good eaters. Oh, crap. Came out here today. It's a pretty decent day. Pitching and jigging.
Oh, that was just sitting on the bottom while we were messing around. That's a nice one.
That's a dandy there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They're hitting it kind of soft, but they're biting it.
It took us a while to find them, but when we found them.
Another one.
Oh, wow.
We're on them now.
Getting them all sizes from 8.5 to 10. Probably pick up some 11s here pretty soon, 12s.
pull down.
We're out here in Dylan's new Lund, brand new Lund. I think this is the second time it's been on the water.
Second time.
Fishing.
Fishing.
Look at that pig. Yeah, she's still got eggs. Release to the grease. We got this little chop come on and the fish turned on. We're watching the rain over here. We don't know if we're gonna have to put rain suits on or not here before too long, but tell them we're gonna fish.
Fill the freezer.
Ooh, that's nicer.
There you go.
One thing I've learned, if someone's catching fish and you're not, you better be using what they're using and paying attention to what they're doing, and you'll catch fish. We're the only boat out here right now.
There we go. That's a nicer one.
Oh, that's nice, Dylan. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, missed that one.
Perfect day out on the water.
Amen. Dylan, I want to say thank you for inviting me out on your new boat.
Heck yeah.
Do a little perch fishing. Nice day away from the shop making tackle. Out doing some tackle testing. Oh, missed that one.
There we go.
There we go.
Double?
Double.
Double.
Oh, right by the boat. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a dandy. You get that elusive 16-incher.
Well, that'll go on the wall.
Seems like these perch are following your lure for a little bit and then they're getting it. But
Just
they're just sucking on it real light.
And then if you let it sit a little bit, they'll take it too.
Yep, right off the ground.
We're using no bait, artificials only. This is our little setup here that we're using. These Mystic Tears come in a variety pack, a 10-pack variety pack. You got 5, I think 4 of this color, 4 of another color, 2 Fire Tiger, and 2 perch colored jigs in a pack. Then the crappie candies come, Chancy's crappie candy comes in a 10-pack. Sell lots of them. Walleye guys love them. Perch guys love them. Trout guys love them.
Another double.
Amen. Double.
Oh, you're on the bigger side, Pete.
You can cast over there. It's your boat. You got control. Oh, release to the left. Don't get stuck in there. Hey. Hey. They're right by the boat.
Yeah, they are.
They're coming in here for protection. Oh, that's a dandy.
That one sounded good.
I made it sound good. Loose drags always make it sound good. Oh, it is
I don't know.
nice.
That's a nice one.
That's a
That's
nice
even got some shoulders.
Yeah.
That's a dandy right there. There we go. Got one too.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a good one too.
Oh, that wind caught my lure. There we go. Oh, right by the boat. That's probably going to be my last one. The rest are catch and release.
Yep. My box is full too.
This is a spawn. Oh! Guess she figured she wanted to go out. That was a spawned out female.
Was it?
Yeah.